Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a branch. So you will see that I have a sample repository here, my sample GitHub repo. Here you can see that I only have one branch. So for example, I want to create a modification for this branch, or I want to add a new feature or fix a bug, then I have to create a new branch of this repository. So let's go to Visual Studio. You can see that I already opened my GitHub repo project. Okay, and currently I'm in a master branch. Okay, so I want to create a new tab. There are multiple ways to do that. You can click new branch from this window, or you can go here in Git changes and you can create a new branch from the ellipsis. Okay, so let's just use this master, create a new branch. Okay, so let's give a name for our branch, branch 1, and then create. So you can see now that I have two branches, branch 1 and master branch. So when we go to GitHub, you will see that I still have one branch here because I need to push the newly created branch from Visual Studio. So let's not make any change for now. Let's just click push. So clicking push will create our new branch in GitHub. Okay, so now that we have pushed our branch, let's check again. There, you can see that I already have two branches. So I have the default, which is the master branch, and branch 1. That's all. Thank you.